Plant FAQs, Peperomia marble. The allure of the Peperomia marble, a low-maintenance beauty. My name's Ferb Vu, and I'm a sucker for houseplants. From the dramatic fiddle leaf fig to the cascading pothos, each one brings a touch of life and personality to a space. But lately, I've been particularly smitten with the Peperomia marble. This little stunner has stolen a place on my windowsill, and for good reason. Its compact size, vibrantly patterned leaves, and fuss-free care requirements make it the perfect companion for busy plant parents like myself. See more 1424 species in genus Peperomia at monsteraholic.com. What is Peperomia marble? The Peperomia marble, also known botanically as Peperomia obtusifolia marble, is a member of the Peperomia family. These tropical natives hail from South America, bringing a touch of rainforest charm to our homes. The true star of the show is the foliage. Unlike its Peperomia cousins, the marble boasts a captivating display of variegated leaves. A base of deep green is splashed with creamy white veins that dance across the surface, resembling marble, hence the name. The overall effect is both elegant and eye-catching. How to care for Peperomia marble. The beauty of the Peperomia marble lies in its ease of care. Here's how to ensure your little gem thrives. Light. While it enjoys basking in bright, indirect sunlight, avoid harsh afternoon rays that can scorch the leaves. A spot near an east-facing window is ideal. Water. This little trooper doesn't like soggy feet. Water deeply when the top inch of soil feels dry to the touch. Allow excess water to drain freely from the pot's drainage holes. During winter, when growth slows, water even less frequently. Soil. A well-draining potting mix is key. Look for a blend specifically formulated for cacti and succulents, or create your own by mixing regular potting soil with perlite or pumice for added drainage. Temperature and humidity. The Peperomia marble thrives in warm, humid environments, mimicking its tropical origins. Aim for temperatures between 60 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit, 15 to 24 degrees Celsius. Average household humidity levels usually suffice, but if your home is particularly dry, consider using a humidifier to create a more comfortable environment for your plant. Is Peperomia marble an indoor plant? Absolutely. The Peperomia marble is perfectly content living its best life indoors. Its compact size makes it ideal for apartments, windowsills, or even terrariums. Beyond the basics, keeping your Peperomia marble happy. With proper care, your Peperomia marble should reward you with lush, healthy growth for years to come. Here are a few additional tips. Fertilizer. A light feeding once a month during the growing season, spring and summer, with a balanced liquid fertilizer diluted to half strength is all your Peperomia marble needs. Pruning. To maintain a bushy appearance and encourage new growth, feel free to pinch off leggy stems or remove any yellowing leaves. Repotting. As your Peperomia marble matures, it may eventually outgrow its pot. Repot every 1 to 2 years into a container just one size larger, using fresh potting mix. The Peperomia marble, a timeless treasure. The Peperomia marble is more than just a pretty face. Its low-maintenance nature, coupled with its captivating foliage, makes it a fantastic choice for plant enthusiasts of all levels. So, if you're looking for a fuss-free beauty to add a touch of the tropics to your space, look no further than the Peperomia marble. With a little TLC, this little gem will bring you joy for years to come.